Hey everyone, I'm Ashish and you're watching Current Tech Colors English. Please subscribe, like, and share my channel so I will be motivated creating technical videos like this. So let's start it. Today, guys, ever you think you can build the Iron Man's Jarvis? So we will build that, but not for the Marvel suit. We will build that for the computer. So we will do this, and this is the video announcement of that course. So this is a separate course. So you have already seen my Python course. This was such an amazing course, and please see this all series, because this is very much important for this course. And without watching this course, without watching this Python series, you will not be able to create your own Jarvis, Iron Man Jarvis. So, guys, this was the course announcement. So, that's it, guys. This is the video. I hope you liked it. Thank you, guys. Thanks for the video.